gorgeous Charlottesville, Virginia today, and it is a beautiful day. The azaleas are in full bloom, and we are enjoying our drive through this great college town. We are at this adorable little free library. It's a tall one. It's got two full shelves for books, and then a top shelf for my favorite feature, the journal.
Okay, y'all hang on. I am navigating some wild and woolly terrain.
Yes, she is actually up on the balance beam
I am trying to.
We're going to drop off a few books right now. Wendy Marcus. We haven't dropped you off in a while here. Wendy Marcus and Tina Beckett's New York City Angels. So we're going to slip you right in here.
Wendy writes some very emotional stories, sometimes about some very, very tough subjects, and I'm always so impressed that she's able to do it and still bring humor into her books.
I know, it's a great talent, I tell you. Dee Adams, loved seeing you in Milwaukee, gal.
Hey, Dee.
And our good friend Diana Love. So we're going to slip all these in here, and we won't video while I spend my time writing in the journal, because you know how I do that.
I'm going to try to see what we've got in here a little bit.
We got Monkey Mind, The Aware, Behind the Scenes at the Museum, Writer's Bone, The Billionaire's Vinegar. Sounds good.
It looks like a selection of kids' books up here at the top as well.
Yes.
Okay, y'all, so I'm going to let Nan do her novella, and we'll leave y'all until our next stop. We're going to have quite a few stops today, so y'all hang on with this. And like I said, it's going to be a beautiful day, so I think y'all will enjoy this. Later, y'all.
All right.